So this brand sent me this product to review. These are the anti-slip pedal design running boards. So let's open this up and see what they come with and what they look like. So they come wrapped very nicely and secure. And this is for a double cab 2 stairs design running boards. And this we got for our 2002 GMC Sierra extended cab. So this is everything it comes with, and I love how they have the labels on which one is driver's side and passenger side. So it comes with the running boards. We have driver's side, passenger side front brackets, center brackets, rear brackets, driver's side and passenger side hand pullers, center hand pullers, and then it comes with the tools we'll need, like the bolts, the nuts, and the washers. So let's go install this and see what it looks like. So first we started by installing the front, center, and rear brackets. We left them loose at first. So now we're adding these brackets, and we also left these loose so later on we can tighten them up all together. And we did that with all three, the front, the rear, and the center one. And once that was finished, we got to put the running boards up and we tightened them as well. Once everything was set in place, we got to tighten everything. These are very convenient and handy to have. It's so much easier to get up on the truck and down from it. And I love the way they look as well. I definitely do recommend you get these.